Hey, yo, what's happening, beautiful people? You know the vibes. It's your boy Papa Blue here. Guys. Oh yeah, actually, guys, on the previous video, I broke down a trade on gold, how I took a trade, right? And then, guys, I want to update you on how did that trade go, because guys, it went wild, it went crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it went crazy, but you're gonna see it by yourself, guys. And also, this video was about the called trade update, right? But then someone said in the comment section, I must also do currency pairs for you guys, right? So I chose to do two currency pairs. I will choose them, but then I will do two, right? And also gold, I won't like break down gold. I'll just update you with the trade, guys, and then yeah, because gold now is on the new highs and all, and I don't know how to trade new highs, right? All-time highs, guys, new highs. So I don't know how to trade new highs. So I'll wait for gold to retrace in order for me to trade gold again. So for now, I'll focus on NAS, USD, and then I'll do these currencies for you guys, and I'll also trade them if I see a possible setup. And also, guys, today is CPI, but remember, this is not a financial advice or something. Me, when I break down a trade here, it's not a must for you guys to take it. But if you feel like taking it, you can take it. Me, I'm just showing you how I approach the market. That's all. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into it. Let me share the screen. Oh yeah, I guess now you guys can see the screen if I'm not wrong. I guess you guys can see the screen now. But yeah, let's operate. Okay, guys, on gold, guys. This is the trade that I showed you guys on the previous video. You all saw the trade. This is where I caught my first entry right here. And then guys, look how it went. I remember when I shot the YouTube video, the trade was somewhere here. And guys, there's something that I'm gonna show you. I anticipated the trade to retrace to this zone and then shoot upwards. And then guess what gold did? Did exactly what I anticipated, guys. It's crazy, but then yeah, it is what it is, guys. It's crazy, but it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna post it here so that you can see, guys. I'm not lying, guys. I'm being serious, right? So yeah, guys, this is how the trade went, guys. You see the overall trade, the entries that I entered here, and also the entries that I entered here. They all hit a TP. So now we're on new highs, and I don't know how to trade new highs, so I'm gonna just leave gold like this. So then I'll trade gold when gold reaches this zone, or let's say when gold reaches my upper trend line, right? When gold reaches my upward trend line, right? Let's see if that's possible. My laptop is slow, yo. But nevertheless, let's see. Yeah, I can also trade gold when gold reaches here for the third touch, or else when gold comes back here, right? If gold is not here nor here, I'm not gonna touch it, because I know gold, guys. Your gold, I'm not gonna touch it. So I'll wait for gold to come here for a retest in order for it to shoot upwards, this being my target, or else I'll wait for gold to come here to this upward trend line, and then catch some sell to here, this zone being my target, right? So guys, without any further ado, let me choose currency pairs. Okay, I'll do USD JPY and Euro USD, the common currency pairs, right? Because I'm sure everyone who trades currencies trades USD JPY and Euro USD. So let us start off by Euro USD. Let me remove everything and start it from scratch for you guys, because surely the reason why you're here in this channel, you want to know how do I approach the market, right? So yeah, me, I'm starting on the weekly time frame, right? What am I doing on the weekly time frame? Easy, guys. I'm gonna allocate my highest point on the weekly time frame and also my current lowest point, so that I know which portion am I going to work with, right? So I'm going to work with this portion right here, right? So I think I'm done on the weekly. Let's not spoil the fun. Let's go to the daily, right? So now we're on the daily time frame. What are we doing on the daily time frame? We are going to allocate more zones, and also we are going to look for the structure. If the structure is not proper on the daily, we're going to look for the structure on the 4 hour. It's a must for us to find a structure in the 4 hour. It's a must, guys. But me, I also can see the structure here on the daily, but then yeah, I'll draw it here on the daily because I see it proper. But then remember, if it's not proper on the daily, use the 4 hour for the structure, right? When you are using my strategy, you can't approach the market correctly without a structure. So you need a structure in order for you to go well and smooth with the market, right? So here what I am doing is I'm allocating my zones. So these are called zones. In fact, these are the places whereby I see when the market touches, the market reverses. You see, inside this portion that you are working with, you can create as many zones as possible in this portion that you are working with, right? Remember, in this portion that you are working with, you can create as many zones as possible, right? So here on the daily, right? I see what is this? It's been a while, guys. I see a falling wedge, right? I see this being a falling wedge, right? Before I can like do the structure, I see the falling wedge. And when I see a falling wedge, I know what's going to happen. I know that the market is going to buy, right? And the market bought, right? Now it's coming back for retest. And also it's creating something. I'm seeing something also. EURUSD is interesting. I'm seeing something also. This being the left shoulder, head, and this being the right shoulder, right here. And then we're going to fly. Right, we are going to fly. Remember, guys, we're on a daily. So the direction that we're getting on the daily time frame is the direction for days, guys. Direction for days. So, guys, what are we gonna wait for here on the daily? We're gonna wait for this, and then boom, right? Remember, guys, we're on the daily. So now, if you wanna trade, we can look for a sell. So I think EURUSD can kinda, if ever it's still here when it's CPI, it can spike down and then go upwards, right? Expect a spike. If ever it's still here on 3:30, it can spike down and then go upwards. Because why? It's gonna create these inverse head and shoulders and then buy, right? I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. But if you didn't get it, you're gonna repeat the video. Right, so let me connect the structure. I see this one, structure, of which here, so after I connected this trend line, I see something else, of which like the inverse head and shoulders can be created or not created, because you see that like the market now is respecting this trend line. It's retesting. It broke it, now it's coming back for a retest. But guys, mind you, we're still on the daily, right? So on the daily, we can't confirm our trades. Okay, let me do it this way. So okay, yeah. So yeah, this is the structure that I do have. Now let me remove the downward trend line. And then yeah, as you can see that we still have our falling wedge, and then we have our break and a retest of the trend line. So guys, yeah, EURUSD is giving me buys. It is giving buys. Me, I see buys on EURUSD. I see buys. Right. I don't know. Like guys, I can be wrong. I'm also a person, right? But then me, I see buys according to my strategy. I see buys, and I won't go against what I see on the bigger time frame, because the smaller time frame is weaker than the bigger time frame. So now I'm gonna look for an entry, right? A possible place whereby I can enter my trades. And also you need to plan your trades before you enter. You need to have a plan. So me, guys, I see this zone. I see this one being a proper support. Okay, I see this zone. It's being a proper support, guys. This zone is a proper support. I'm not gonna lie. Why am I saying this zone is proper? Because anytime the market approaches this zone, it does something to it, right? So anytime the market is above this zone, it buys. Anytime the market is below the zone itself, right? Because look here, it bought, broke, tried to retest but didn't reach the zone, dropped because of the momentum, came back, broke the zone, retested, it bought, came back, broke the zone, went far to the downside, came back, tried to retest it, but then it manipulated, sold, came back to the zone, retested, went up, retested, went up, retested, went up, retested again. So what's stopping the market to go up again? And also, as you can see, that the market is creating a double bottom pattern. Look here, first bottom, second bottom, and it also like it already started buying. But then, yeah, now I should be entering, guys, because I see this candlestick, and of which I don't use 4-hour time frame to enter. So let's just go to our entry time frame, because we can see that everything is clear, right? You can see, guys, everything is clear here. So yeah, we're on the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, guys, we had a hammer here, and then the market played a bit, and then now we have a bullish candlestick. That's big, a bullish big candlestick. It's huge, guys. It's a huge bullish candlestick, this one, and it's still gonna operate. So guys, here I'm so happy, guys. Here I see proper buying opportunities, guys, and I guys, I should be entering right now. Let me enter right now, guys. But I'm not saying you guys should enter, because me, I know why I'm entering. I know why I'm entering. And also I have Nasdaq running trades here. I'm floating 7 clipper in the morning, Garara 7 clipper. Euro USD. I don't usually trade currencies, guys. They're not even on my watch list. And then let's go Euro USD. 1 hour. Buy. I'll show you guys. Let me do a screen record. I'll show you guys. I'm entering now. Entering. The boy is entering. Lot size 0.20. Buy. Second one. Buy. Third one. Buy. So yeah, I think we're proper. Yeah, I think we're proper. So I entered buys, guys, on Euro USD, and I'll keep you guys updated, guys, as long as you do make sure that you don't miss any video here on this channel, guys. Please, if you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so that next time I upload you won't miss out. Guys, I don't know why my connection is slow, guys. It's slow, and now and guys, you saw it, right? You saw it that Euro USD is about to buy, and then due to correlation reasons, if Euro USD is buying, surely USD JPY will expect sells on USD JPY, right? Guys, yeah, this connection now. But then here on the phones, it's too much. I don't know what's happening here on the laptop. Already in profits, floating 81 rands. It's better than nothing. Already in profits, guys. Same time profits, floating 81 rands, 114 now, guys. This is crazy. Hey, this page one, I don't do that to me. Hey, okay. I'm gonna take you here. This 1,05334 being my TP and my SL 1,03762. But then, like, it's possible for the market to come back here for young retest nyana, so the stop loss should be below the trend line. Right, so yeah, this is the trade, guys, on Euro USD. On Euro USD, another confirmation. The last one, guys, remember when the 1 hour. The last confirmation being this one, the break of this trend line. Being the break of this trend line. See, guys, the reason why I love trading. This is, guys, me, I'm excited when I'm trading. I become excited, guys. When the market conditions like matches with my analysis, like, guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. But then yeah, the break of this trend line. My other confirmation. So guys, we are shooting upwards, guys. We are shooting upwards, guys. You see, I'm doing this with you guys. I want to update you guys. You'll see the update and you'll see how did I catch this trade, right? Let us go to USDJPY. Okay. Also on USDJPY, as you can see, guys, we're on the 1 hour time frame. We're gonna start on the weekly. Guys, this video is gonna be long, and I don't want it to be long, but due to the network conditions, it's gonna be long. It's gonna be a long video. So yeah, same thing on USDJPY. Yeah, it's USDJPY. Yeah, same thing on USDJPY. Let's approach the market. I see things differently here, but then my strategy will tell me what to do. And guys, also don't come with the mindset like due to the correlation reasons. You know that when Euro USD you're seeing a buy, you're expecting a sell on USDJPY. Don't come with that mindset that USDJPY should sell. Nah, like, let the strategy do the thing. You will hear from it, right? So I think I have the structure that I see here on the weekly. Right, let's not like spoil the fun, because I know if we want to do everything on the weekly time frame, then other time frames will be useless, right? So let's go down to the daily. When we are on the daily, you can see that like USDJPY broke the upward trend line and retested it, of which we missed it because we don't trade currencies this side. We missed it. And also guys, let me follow the strategy. Trend line correct, guys, it broke. I tried adjusting the trend line, but nah, it broke the trend line. It broke the trend line. Let me put it here. This one. Then adjust it, and then yeah, now guys, it broke it. The trend line is broken, like broken. So what are we expecting? Sales, but then my connection, guys, this thing spoiling my mood now. It's spoiling my mood now. I don't know what's happening with this, man. Come on, bro. I don't want this video to be long, yo. Okay, so it broke the trend line, guys. So what I'm gonna do now in this portion, I'm gonna create the places where I see when the market touches, the market reverses. Okay, guys, these are the places. When you see a certain zone, guys, don't be scared to draw it if you're using my strategy. If you're my student and you're here, when you see a certain zone, as I always say, when you see a certain zone, don't be scared to draw it. It may help you in the future. Because, guys, this strategy is crazy, man. This strategy is crazy. Shout out to Nasdaq Ninja, man. Strategy is crazy. Places, and there's nothing that I see here. Scale down to 4 hours. Let's not spoil the fun. So now on 4 hour, let me reset my chart. Now I know what I'm looking for, right? Let me adjust the zone to here. Now I know what I'm looking for, right? And I can also see that the market on the 4 hour time frame is giving me a, what is this? A shooting star candlestick, right? Shooting star candlestick being a reversal, a bearish reversal candlestick, right? But then with just one confirmation, you can't enter a trade. You need multiple confirmation. So let's count my confirmations. Number one, it's this zone. The market is sitting on a zone, of which the zone was the previous support, right? So when the market breaks the previous support and retests it, the previous support becomes a resistance, right? And we don't buy on a resistance. We do what? We sell. Number one. Number two, the market broke the weekly trend line and then retested it. We saw the retest on the daily, right? And also see the retest here because the market broke, came back, broke again, retested here, and then shot down. Now it's coming back for a retest on this previous lows, and then it will shoot down again to this low, this being our first TP, because now we had an uprising structure and then we broke it. So in order for us to finish, I will read the 90% rule. Shout out to you if you know the 90% rule. If you don't, then I will be forced to make another video explaining it to you guys. But then you have to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell in order for you to not miss out on that video whereby I will be explaining the 90% rule, right? So here guys, here what I see, I see sells, but I won't enter because I only trade one pair at a time. I won't enter, so I see sells here. So guys, in CPI, like most probably USDJPY can sell if ever the market conditions are still like this, guys, because anything can happen, changes can happen. If ever the market conditions are still like this, USDJPY can sell in CPI. Hope you guys see this video as early as possible, because I don't want you to see this video after CPI. What if I'm giving you the right direction, guys? But then I'm not saying you should take the direction or what. But you guys are. I guys, me, I'm gonna operate. I am gonna operate. But then yeah, that's what I see, guys. I don't have anything else to say, guys. I don't want to complicate it. Simplicity is key. Just sell, guys. Just sell. You see, just sell. I see sells. I'm not saying it's gonna sell, mind you. I'm not saying it's gonna sell, but then I'm anticipating sells. The strategy tells me that USDJPY can sell, right? I'm not saying it's gonna sell. It can sell, right? So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Shout out. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Hope you find value on how I do break down the market. If guys, you want me to teach you something about the strategy, I'll do it completely for free here on YouTube. You just have to drop a comment that what do you want me to focus on. If you don't know the basics of Forex, you can just drop a comment. Please start from the basics, right? I will do it for you. Teach you about the uptrends, downtrends, high highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, all that stuff. If you don't know how to use a trend line, drop a comment. Please do a trend line video whereby you teach us how to use trend lines. If you don't know support and resistance, drop a comment. Please do a support and resistance video. Let's work together, guys, in order for us to help each other, right? But make sure that you subscribed and you also clicked the notification bell, and also you liked the video in the previous one, right? So yeah, guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Shout out. It's your boy Papa Blue. Peace out.